Hello my dear students, today we create a inspirational Facebook post graphics using Canva. Inspirational posts are very popular in social media. You may be seeing them in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and all in other social media platforms. They are very clickable and very much shareable. That's why I train you how to create a beautiful inspirational code graphics with Canva, so that you can actually put them in your social media and get more followers. Using Canva tools and graphics, we create a beautiful, high quality inspirational code graphics. And of this section, you will able to create different type of inspirational codes, and that is better than ever. And you can share on your social media, but also share with us. I encourage you to upload your own Facebook cover image directly into this course. For that, everyone can take a look what you have created. It is a great motivation to share your design with the world, and also it is a great chance to get any feedback from me and from other students, so that you can actually improve your design and make it better in future. So are you ready? Let's go ahead and let's start it.